to show you how you can turn off or turn on your administrator account, and how you can switch to standard users or administrator account. So first, you come here for you place window plus R on your keyboard, window plus R. So you come here and write control plus user password. This one you make copy and paste here, the control or user password. You see, then you click OK. You in here can check this one. I have two working account. Then I double click for the first one to check its properties. Then I go to group